In this video, we are going to see that if you forgot your Instagram password and you are signed in already, or even if you're not signed in and you just want to find your Instagram password, here's how we can easily find it. So for the first example, we will see that if you're already logged in and you just want to see your password, how we can do that. And then we will see if you're completely signed out, or maybe you're trying to sign in with a new device altogether and you're not logged in into Instagram. Actually, here's how you can find the password or get the password for that as well. So let's take the first example where you're already logged in. We click on the profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Here it is. We click on that, and from here we click on the three lines at the top right hand corner. We click here. So from here we go to the account center and we click on the passwords and security, and we click on change password. So but if we click on the change password and even if we select the profile, it will not show you the current password because of the security reasons, right? Okay, so but what you need to do is, let's say that we go back and we click on the saved login. Now I always recommend you to whatever profile you're working on or you have, you just toggle on to the saved login. How we can get to this section? If you go one step back, you click on the saved login and you click on your profile and just toggle this on. So that is very, very important. You don't need to enter your password and ID the next time. So just keep the reminder of that. But if you want to see your password, what we can do is we will write here instagram.com. From here we choose login, and since we have already turned on the saved login option, so it will save it automatically whatever it was logged in with. And as soon as you click on this, it will show you that username and password via autofill option, and then you should be able to view it. So not only it will show you your username, but it will show you your password here as well, and then you can view it with this option. But otherwise, if you want to check, even if it is not flashing here, you might get this key icon here and you choose manage passwords, and whatever is the account, let's say we try to see the Roblox password, we click on that, we scan it with our mobile, and when we edit it, you should be able to see your name and all from here. Similarly, let's say that we head over to TP link. Whatever is the profile, you see the username and password mentioned here. So that's how you can easily check it. Now, if you want to just see the password in the app settings, let's say that we were only using Instagram application and we want to see the password for the application itself. What we do is just head over to the settings and right here, password. So it will show you this password manager. This is the same option that we used before. You can click on the passwords and biometrics. This is for the normal login into the device. And if we click on the show passwords option, that is the privacy option, we click on that, and if we scroll down a little bit, we can see this auto fill service from Google. Click on that. We click on the Google password manager, and here you should be able to see more details about it. So for example, I want to see my Instagram password. We click on that, we hit the screen lock, and then you should be able to see all of your accounts along with their passwords. As soon as you click on display option, you should be able to get all of your Instagram passwords. So that's about it. That's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.